Hi, it's Angeline here. Welcome to another crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to show you how to make a masculine card and adding lots of sequins on it. So I've already stamped and colored this best tool in the box stamp kit, which is I think perfect for Father's Day. And I've also added some stitch borders using the Lawn Fawn die set here. And I'm also going to add lots of sequins to the card using this Audrey sequins by Unity Stamp, which has this really nice blues and blacks sequins in it. So before that, I'm also adding some braids to the card using the stitch border die that I've already created just now, and just pop it in there and secure it to the back of the card and you're done. So I'm just adding 3 more of these to the card. Now it's time to add the sequins to the card, so I'm using some Thermoweb mixed media adhesive here, which secures the sequins pretty well on the card. So you just dab some onto the card, and here I am using the Marvy jewel picker here, or you could use your hands of course, and just pick them up and secure it to the card. I like this pack of sequins because it kind of fits the theme and it kind of reminds me of some bolts and nuts. So I think it's kind of cool that sequins are not only for girly cards but can also be added to masculine cards as well. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!